MILANOTE Tutorial for Beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use MILANOTE, a powerful visual organization tool that helps with note-taking, brainstorming, mood boards, and project planning. Whether you're a designer, writer, creative thinker, or project manager, this guide will help you get started quickly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create boards, organize ideas, collaborate with teams, and manage creative projects easily. Now, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go onto MILANOTE.com. From there, you can tap on Sign Up for free, and you'll be able to sign up using your email address. Once you have signed up from here, you could choose to fill out these basic questions, or you can simply tap on Skip. After you have tapped on Skip, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Now, once on the dashboard, the first thing you want to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, and you're simply going to drag and add a board. And by the way, a board in MILANOTE acts as a workspace where you can add notes, images, links, and to-do lists. So you can give your board a name. So let's say, for example's sake, create video. So I'll name it create video. Once I've created it, all I'll need to do is simply double click on the board. And you can see right there, create video, so you can see the heading. Now that I've done that, all you'll need to do now, you could choose from one of their templates right here. They're ready-made templates if you want. In the bottom right-hand corner, you can choose to explore the different templates. So for example, you could select mood board or any one of these templates as you can see right here. So for example, you could tap on project plan, and you can see how it looks. But for this example, I want to show you how to create it from scratch, as I know that it looks complicated, but it is actually very easy to use and it is visually appealing. So let's say, for example, the first thing I would like to do is add a note. So I can tap right here, and let's say, for example, I want to create a tutorial, and I can type that in real quick. So I can type that in right here. After you have added the note, you can continue adding more notes. You can tap on enter and you can add more notes. Now let's say, for example's sake, you would like to make this color. You can simply tap right here. You could color the text, or you can change the text style, or you can simply tap on card color in the top left hand corner and you could change the color as you can see right there. So you have numerous customization options. Now, after adding the note, let's say I want to start my to-do list. I can simply drag and place the to-do list, and I can add the first task. So my first task will be to brainstorm. So I'll type in to brainstorm ideas. So I can type that in right here. Brainstorm ideas. Then let's say, for example, the next one will be to record video. And you get the point. You can continue typing out different tasks that you want to accomplish. And let's say, for example's sake, I want to set a due date. You can go over to the left-hand menu option and you can add a due date for your particular task. So you can select when you would like it to be completed. So you can see it right there. Now, after adding the to-do list, let's say, for example's sake, I have some sample videos that I've collected across the internet, or some sample informations related to the video that I want to create. You could simply drag and place the link, and then from there you could paste in the link of the blog or of an example video, just like that. And you can list everything. You can use a line right here to organize everything, pointing to the central point of creating the video. Another thing that you can also do by going over to the left hand menu option, from there you can add notes. So you could tap on add image, better yet, and you could drag and place it. So you could add an image. So I could tap right here and you could choose to upload your image, or you can choose to use one of their copyright free images. And you can tap on upload right here and you'll be able to upload different information. Now, once you have created your board, if it is a case that you would like to share it with others, so let's say, for example, I'm working with a team and I want ideas on how they think I can go about creating this video. I could go over to the top right hand corner, tap on share. After you have tapped on share, from there you can invite editors via email. You could put in their email information right there. Then from there you can send invite. You can also enable read-only link if you like them to only be able to preview it or view it. You can do that also. So that's how you'll be able to share your notes. And if it is a case that you would like to export it, you can tap on export in the top right hand corner. From there you can choose to export it as a PDF or a PNG image, as you can see right here. And another thing that I have found intriguing when it comes onto MILANOte, with this layout right here, it makes it very easy to create, for example, a tutorial video, as you'll be able to write down your information, and then from there you can show viewers step by step how to do any task. And if it is a case that you would like to create a new board, you can do that. You can simply drag board, and from there you could put in the board name and you can create a new board. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.